Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hot dog sauce at home, only way. Start by gathering ground beef, onions, tomato paste, brown sugar, mustard, chili powder, and a splash of vinegar. Cook the onions until soft, brown the beef, then add tomato paste and spices and simmer gently to concentrate flavor. Stir occasionally and adjust salt or sugar to taste for a balanced, savory sauce perfect for hot dogs. Gather your ingredients and measure them out before you start to simplify the process. Use 1 pound of ground beef and a large diced onion to build a meaty base. Add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar for sweetness and body. Season with 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon mustard, and a splash of vinegar, adjusting to your personal taste as it simmers slowly. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit like to help us make more tasty recipes. Quick recommendation. A book I love is The Simple Path to Wealth, which changed how I think about saving and spending, and it pairs oddly well with learning to cook smart at home. Check the description for the link and other deals, pick it up if you want, and now let's get back to the video. Begin by sweating the onions in a skillet over medium heat until translucent and fragrant. Add the ground beef and brown it well, breaking up clumps for even cooking, then drain any excess fat. Stir in the tomato paste, brown sugar, and spices, then add a splash of vinegar and a bit of water if needed. Reduce to low and simmer for at least 30 minutes so the flavors meld beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.